Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah! I have 4 boxes. And a plastic envelope thingy-majiggy. I know that's closed, but the others are die cast, of course. And they're all all from Whatnot. 3 different sellers. But I'm going to get TB's Hobbies real quick out of the way because I've had his packages for a minute. So I'll be right back. Alright, Jelly Beans. One of TB's Hobbies packages right here. Yeah, let me know starting point. There you go. Nope. Thought I had it. Nope. Nope. I don't have my keys with me. Keys are upstairs. What the heck? Come on, man. Leave me a starting point. There we go. Yep, there we go. Yeah. Create your own starting point, Jelly Beans. Alright, let me see what I got from TB's Hobbies, because what I get from TB's Hobbies, some ASMR. Yeah. Alright, here we go. It's a cubed vehicle. You can only guess that's an M2. Nope. Nope. More tape. $1967 Chevy 2. Ooh, yeah. Very nice, Jelly Beans. Very nice. I think that was the only thing in that one package. Thank you very much, TB's Hobbies. All links from the Whatnot and TB's Hobbies, Whatnot, and his YouTube are down below in the description. My link for Whatnot will be down below, so you sign up and get your $10 in-app credit. Whatnot is an online auction site where you can bid live through live video, and you can chat with the seller. Yeah. All right, what we got here? It's a Hot Pursuit Jeep Cherokee. 2000 Jeep Cherokee from what? United States Secret Service Police. It's very nice. Woo! Thank you, TB. What else we got in here? Here's a giveaway. What is this? 1956 Flash Cider. Oh, yeah, very nice. Thank you very much, TV. Alright, what else we got down here and that side? Oh, we got 2 more things of bubble wrap to go through. Oh, I see an AW. Sometimes, a lot of times, this can be like a mystery because you forget what you order at times, and you just, it's like Christmas morning all the time when you order stuff like this. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? I don't know what it is. Besides tape blocking me from opening. Alright. Here's a muscle truck. 2006 Chevy Silverado. Oh yeah. Thank you very much. Again, TV. What we get here? Here's a Schwinn factory BMX team. 1976 Chevy G20 van. Ooh, they have. Oh, nice. Nice. I guess I want to try to get this whole entire set. Very nice. Thank you very much. Again, Johnny Lightning AW. What else could be here? Oh, I see Johnny Lightning through the package. Trying to open it carefully so nothing gets messed up. Ooh, what is this? What is this? What is this? '76 Dodge Tradesman van. One of 9,718. Ooh, it's very nice. I told TV's Hobbies I'm gonna cut loose from buying so much on there because it's an addiction and I really can't keep going after this stuff too much. But I will also collect, but not as much. I can't keep spending my money on it, so because I have to adult. And here is a 1969 Chevy Blazer with an ignition key. That's dope. I like that, especially when they added keys in there. I wonder if that was actually cut, like the key was actually cut, if it will start a car. That would be hey. Alright. Yep, I did 3. This is my third box. This is the biggest box from TB Hobbies. And this one he left the starting point. Thank you. And he gave me a lot of paper in this one. Oh, dude. Big box with 2 items that I know I had to suck because you didn't have a smaller box. I'm sorry. I haven't shipped any boxes out. I was supposed to ship him some boxes, but haven't gotten to the post office because I have stuff to send him. Drift Master. And competition cams. '57 Chevy sedan delivery gasser. Woo! Think I have it already, but it's all good. I don't mind doubles. Dupes. I love dupes. Don't bother me. All right, here we go with the car collectibles. Car Collectibles is a pretty cool guy. I like him. TB Hobbies is a good guy too. All the people I've been ordering from are pretty awesome. Every one of them. They all package their stuff very well. Try very hard for the package try not to get damaged, but when it comes damaged, it's mainly from the post office. Gaps or Zaps potato chips, hotter and hot jalapeno. He throws stuff, random stuff in people's bags, boxes at times, and potato chips is that. Alright, let's see what I got here. I do a lot of shopping from his online store, so, but I actually did it on this while people were sleeping. So, does anybody remember this guy? The King? Elvis Presley. It's a Haba Lava exclusive. Yeah. I'm all shut up. Yeah. Ambition is a dream with a V8 engine. That's Elvis Presley. All right. First time buying from this guy. Wowskers. I'm sorry for butchering your name. I just can't pronounce your name. I'm just going to say wow, and his link will be down in the description down below for whatnot. Please check him out. He sells awesome, I mean awesome shirts. If you're into, these are awesome, that's why. Who is a deadhead? San Francisco owned, Grateful Dead since 1965. It's pretty dope. I like that one. I like that one. And here's another one. Grateful Dead with the bears. That's freaking dope, dude. Alright, jelly beans. Well, that's a nice shirt. I like that. Very nice. I like that a lot. It's long. I like it. That's a dope shirt. Hey, that's another great shirt. I like this too. That's awesome. Hey, so, well, thank you very much. I really enjoy the shirts. They will definitely be worn. They fit great. Your link will be down below. TB Hobbies, link will be down below, and so will be the car collectibles, all on whatnot. So please go check these wonderful people out. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share it, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace!